Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to change the units of distance measurement on Google Map. So to this end, click on Map app. On the map, come to your logo icon, which is the picture of my Google account. I click on it, and then in the menu, click on Settings, and in the settings scroll down to distance units, and there are three options available: automatic, kilometers, and miles. The automatic sometimes shows kilometers and sometimes miles, but you have to choose one of the last two options. So if you are interested to measure the distances in kilometers, you need to switch on this option, and now you see distance units are in kilometer. So it has already been changed. This way you can change your unit measure. Thanks for watching.